Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Miss Vera, Mrs. Cause you are married woman, let me address you as a make six. Mrs. Vera. Now the media have turned to APC and PDP. I can sense it, and I also saw it. It's not what they told me, it's what I observe, because I'm an observant. Yes, I will do so. I believe you. This is why I'm speaking my pidgin English. Based on I'm an observant, have saw it, the media have tear into two. They have shared it into two. PDP and APC. So what I'm trying to say, you have the right to decamp. If you want to decamp, yes, you have the right. Yes, you have the right to decamp. Nobody owe you not to decamp. If you want decamp, go ahead and decamp. So where I am calling Vera, if she knows anything between that law, I mean that case in court, let her come out and tell us, good evening, Martin, tell the audience what she knows about the case. Because she can't keep on coming out every morning, early morning, to emphasize, no, this case, we are going to see the truth today. Today we go see the truth. I not join this one, I not did this one, I did middle. We must say the it means that you have already knew the truth. What are you hiding for this case? Vera, what are you hiding for this case? It's like you don't already know the secret between this case because you were close to one candidate. You are not close, you were enemy to the other candidate before. I don't know if you were APC or PDP before. Now you came out and renounced, said you want to decamp. Decamping is allowed. Yes, it's very allowed. Now you are not coming out every morning, early in the morning. Vera have went to YouTube, try to instigate issues that she want to know the truth. The truth must come out. The truth must come out. I don't want to join this. I don't want to join this. I don't want to, you keep on. At least you have done so almost 3 to 4 videos. All the name you want to brought out the truth. Still the truth. Better before you can go bring this truth. You not go reach 10 years old. You not do 4 video. Truth you not bring. You just upload bad platform. Then you say I want to analyze the truth. Make people they call. You don't do 4 video, the truth never see bring and come out, Auntie Vera. Not be so. If you knew anything, it's like you know something between that case, just go straight to the point. Name the name on top of the I think so. Now 100 years truth. Because Vera don come almost 3 to 4 times. He want to we go see the truth. If na this one you get the blame, we you give am. If na this one you get the blame, we go you give am. It's like you have already knew the somebody who has already know holds the blame. You just come out and let us know. This is the person that is wrong. Then we follow. Case closed. So Vera, please, they don't pursue woman comot for us. They don't dey look you at waste again. And if foul, no foul na the motherless one, if he don't drive him children, he no dey carry again. He no get how they go near am. He go dey use him hands. They beat them. So Vera, you have the camp. So please, your decampacy. Odionwere we speak English. So now say man they speak English. When they take calm on. So me na any I take cotton, knock on, write down. Me na the based on una go understand Odionwere. So Vera, the issue is that you have the camp, nobody holds you, but this one you are keep on emphasizing in one thing. Since you the camp, you just stood on that issue that you want to, the truth must come out. The truth very hard. If you hide, bring and come out. So we want to see the truth of Vera. If the truth hide, you bring and come out. Not they use and come out every morning. They put number there. May all those women come, they make different contribution. No, just go straight to the point. Bring out the truth and move ahead. Go to the next topic. People they disgwangwa you everywhere. You no even mind those one. Wetin carry you na the truth. Truth wey dey not be you even get case. 2 people wey get case never even talk. Two people wey get case never even talk. You wait. Abi na because of this case you decamp. Vera, if na this case na make you decamp, you go let audience know. Because since when you decamp, na this case you hold am ransom, you no gree leave am for waste. We must say the truth o. The truth must come out. If na this one you wrong, we go give am. If na this one you wrong, we go give am. The truth, I no go join this one. Nobody is forcing you to join anybody. You are an adult, a mother of children, 3 or 4, I don't know, I don't care. So please, if you have the camp, move on. Don't try to instigate this media when Odionwere is operating. Don't try to instigate some kind things that we know, women now when a baba set way. So Vera TV had your Odionwere on social media hereby call you to order. Please, if is there anything you know about that case in the court, just come out and clear the air and just let bygone be bygone. Yes. Don't use that case be coming out every in fact sometimes I'll see sure say Vera don't cook for his children. Sure say he don't even take these children go school. I say man look YouTube, see Vera. Don't write analyze, the truth must come out. So I bet if you know the truth, come tell us. Even me, I want to know the truth. Everybody want know truth. It's like the truth have already in the hands of Vera. Vera, just do it. Away me re now. MRA, you must not do 20 video or 30 before you can't talk the truth. If you want just talk truth, talk am. Then you leave there, enter another topic. I don't know, maybe get wetin man who carry banana do heavy only we heavy so agbe not be you start am. You are not the one that started it. Not be you, you are not the one still going to put an end to it. It's normal. We have saw many cases like this on media, so it's not a new thing. You can just write it out, message to Monica. This is your godmother before. Message to her. If you start, you should want to war her. Continue. This is indirectly. This is in that maybe you are looking for what she will say before you start your grievances. So that is it. That is for Vera. Vera, if you knew anything concerning the case, please do us a favor. The media wants you to come out and speak truth, but nothing but just the truth. Yeah, have you understood me? Okay. Time attack wonyo nya. Where ke oyo to? Okay, that's go for Vera, Mrs. Vera. Then you people should call me Sister Jerry. And Jerry Wife Talk, Jerry Wife TV. We wish we knew as Esther talk show before, so she not change it. He said, "Try for the robot." And now, Ochari, meg, time take wonyo, onyori, omochari, omotena, only wese wenye, wese we. I've lived with Urobo people before, you know. You know, Binia Robo, we are like this. We run things. Yes. So, like I said, white Esther woman. Esther, I just want to advise you, Mrs. Esther, you're also a married woman. Let me advise you, please. Whenever you are coming to a media, try to comfort yourself. Not the on camera because of nothing. You too dey lose guard. Your lose guardation, it don't turn to other thing. Not dey carry the run on your live video, abeg. Not be one, not be two. Or when your woman give her one. First thing happen to you, second time you use it to learn. So, Auntie Esther, please be observant. Observe yourself. Examine yourself. Observe yourself. Also examine yourself before you on live video. Don't just on live video because you want to on it, and when you know that you are not fully okay, or maybe you are half naked, you are undressed, you are as a woman. Don't do that. Just look at the last one. It was obvious. You on a live video, then you went to go and ease yourself. Coming back, something else happened. Instantly, maybe you could have just go off the camera. Maybe this one where they say Mona share and they already share something or they already screenshot them. Things they happen. because you not be everybody wey come watch you. Not be them be your friend. Many still your enemies, they come your platform, come dey find one fault wey you go make, wey they go quick take comot go use am against you. So my sister, abeg, dey comfort yourself before you enter media. Odionwere na give you this message. That is Esther talk show abi Jerry TV, Jerry wife TV. I the Odionwere of social media has spoken. Please, hey Aladian Udioidi, I don't do that. Where are the Rude me vera nia? When I be alive, when I be do vera, because of vera, you went all that thing. Then you yourself went also vera. You later vera more than the real vera. So where woman see your man and ato. Yes, agarudu gioma ana iruao. Emma. So Lula, I beg you, Mrs. Esther, try comforting yourself, examine yourself, whether you dey for Jesus, whether you dey for live video, dey examine yourself before you enter live video, okay? So that is my message for you. I said before, I'm going to give it to them little by little and gradually by gradually, you know. Now you call me Mrs. Monica. And Mrs. Monica, I could have played the audios, but I've deleted it. That was yesterday. I wanted to come out for you and Emmanuel Agbogu, but yesterday something went wrong. I couldn't meet up. So today I just left. I deleted that audio where you lay a curse on Esther daughter. You know, as an Odionwere, I'm against child bullying. I'm against child bullying, Monica. I'm against child bullying. And you know, you said so many things. Yes, Esther insulted your husband, insulted you. You yourself, you also insulted she and her husband. But you later said that na woman na also born your husband, but you are not in the right position to fight for your husband. I guess your husband also have a mother. A mother dey village. Make a mother still fight for a pikin. Wetin she dey life for? Make she dey fight for a pikin. So that was that. Where you insulted and said they must recognize somebody, one person wey go craze for that family. Say one of the pikin, all those things, God forbid, we take all those things. We are all Benin's. I make in a so I don't know why we are looking. It's not a stranger. This person you are laying curse on. It's not a Gambia person. It's not a Ghanaian. It's not a Cameroonian. It's not a Manelian or Aficostinian. This same person, not even an Igbo man or Arunsama Yoruba, both of you from the same Edo state also speak the same lingua, the same language. So why won't you people be looking for each other, down for death, wishing each other to die, children to run mad, children to do this, children not to prosper? It doesn't fair. It does not make sense. It does not make sense. Like I said before, I don't say you people should not make saga, but take away the children. Me, I was against why Eddie Murphy and his own wife were trying to terminate your own children too. I was against it. So I can never still also be support. I can't support you while also you to terminate another person children. No, it's not nice. Make una carry una children comot for una saga. Anything una children no send una. Those people are just innocent. Now they carry una children enter help me o camera. Now they try to show them those things. For me, I go advise una make una carry at least make those children just see face their life or not be this kind of life wey una dey live so gbogbo na go still send come still put una children. We know say na everything wey we dey do na we dey live keep for our children, but not be all this kind one we go like keep for our children. Abeg make na keep better thing. Not be this gbos saga this that we na go live for children. Make na keep better thing wait for na children. Na children no merit this gbos abeg. So I know all una to saga, all of una na adult, even me, all of us wey dey here we don already be adult, no children. So nobody can control you, nobody will tell you what to do. So you have the audacity, full right to do whatever pleases you. If you say na this saga na dey give you joy, dey do am, but make una dey remove the children wey dey inside. So na wetin me Odionwere on social media come talk. Then I will appreciate Esther husband when he will try to insult you back. You see, the man said, he said that your children is not among. I don't, and that is a man. Say your children not get wetin dem do am, you no go fit curse your children. So na him begin lay curse on you and your husband. So if he lay curse on you and your husband, is well because na dey curse for each other. Even the Esther, I still hear when you say if you not die, no hear asa. What do you think that pains somebody so much? So you see, you people learn this course. This very course now, you people learn it from the social media president, which is very bad. This is what I said. As a social media president, what are you teaching the audience? What are they learning from you? How to curse? Okay, just look at this woman now. I've already learned this particular course from you, that if you know things that pains you to, those of you who doesn't hear the for some I go ask Google. If they said that anything that pains you, that you use it to pay. If now your wife they pay you so much, you go use your wife to pay debt. If now your children, you go use them pay debt. If now your husband, if now your mama, papa, anything wey pains you so much, now you go take pay debt. But as for me, person cause that kind cause for me. Now you know, because I no get wetin dey pay me. Like let's say I go use am. Maybe na my fridge, like me now. Na my fridge dey pay me. I'll carry fridge give debt. May leave my wife, leave the rest, leave my children, leave everything. I'll give am fridge, may carry go. So, Mrs. Monica, please, enough is enough. You don't take the way the body scratches you to scratch it. When you do, the body will get paid. So that was that. You went too far to insult her, not even her, extended course. You do it as if a extended course to the children when you also have a children. But you said a mother that give birth to your husband. No. Also mother give birth to them too. Everybody has mother. Moreover, your mother has never sent you this basbos, your children. In fact, all these things, it's hard time for you people to remove all these father calls, mother calls, children calls, no brother calls, and those calls. Remove those things. Face who face you. Yeah. When are they doing face who face you? If na your husband join, take your husband join. If na your wife join, take your wife join. When are they remove children, parents? I beg una John wey say make una dey remove children and parents. I beg. So that is it. I've sent my message to them. So we still have 2 things to do today. Please stay tuned and then share the video. 4.